In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create rendering using the bulb and spotlight of the rendering tool. Okay, first is you have to create guides for your bulb and spotlight by entering line using the midpoint of the object. You create guides. uh, the distance will depend upon how your light should uh, go away from the building. So I will create uh, three guides here. So the distance will depend upon how your light will uh, how far your light from the building. So there are three guides I have created here. The first one is for the spotlight. So we will go to visualize and then click here, create light. So create spotlight, then the area where the light will strike, then enter. Then another is the bulb. You just put bulb here, then enter, then click again here, another for bulb, then enter. So there are three different source of lights here, the spotlight and then the 2-point bulb. Now click the spotlight and then type MO for properties and then change the intensity factor. Okay, the default is 1 and I would like to make it 500. So the object is already uh, has light by the spotlight. Okay, nagkaroon na siya ng light because of the spotlight. So this is the exposure, and if you want to make the distance a little bit away from the building, you can do so. And if you want also to make the intensity higher, you can increase that 750. And again you can also increase the coverage by this arrow, by pulling the arrow here. So for this example, I am okay now with the distance, and then escape so that you can choose another bulb. So I will choose here, and then the intensity is, let's say, 100. Okay, so that's the intensity. Then a little bit higher, uh, okay, and then so bright, so I'll change it into 75. A little bit closer, by pulling the pointer, you can move the away. And then the other one is this bulb. Escape again and then select the bulb, the third bulb, and then change the intensity factor, let's say 50. So it is too bright for me, so I will change that into 25, and then I will move it closer. Ayan. So that's it. And we try to see the, the building has been lighted up, and this spotlight seems to me needs more intensity, so I type it 1000. Okay, so I am okay with the light already, so I am ready now to uh, render the drawing. So you go here, you set the rendering tool into the following setting. uh, from this setting, you set the rendering into the rendering level into high, and then rendering to size, you select uh, the full HTB HDTV, and then after setting all the levels and size, you start now your rendering to size. If there is a message to show like this, you just proceed with work without the medium image library. Wait until the rendering will finish, and 99%, and 100%. So after the rendering is fully done, you click the save the rendered file, and then your folder, the folder that you want to save, then the name of the rendered file, 3D 3D house, then save, then make it progressive, 32-bit alpha progressive, then change that into 300, then okay, then close the file. Now set your view into top, then I'm going to show you how to insert the newly rendered file, then how to resize it also. So insert, click attach file, then 3D house, the one that we saved, then open, then click OK, and then click here, then do not move the cursor, then click, and that this is the file that we already rendered. So how to resize that one? You type image clip, image clip, then select the object, then click new boundary, and here you're going to set the boundary of the object that you want to resize. So this has been the outcome of your rendered file using the visualize uh, light, spotlight, and point light. So this has been my tutorial for today, creating a rendered resizing it into your uh, best size that you want to uh, achieve. Thank you for watching and see you again next time for my video tutorial.